Google Pixel Pro. The Google Pixel Pro is a flagship smartphone that has gained significant attention in the tech industry. With its powerful hardware, cutting-edge software, and impressive camera capabilities, the Google Pixel Pro is a device worth exploring in detail. Design and build. The Google Pixel Pro boasts a premium design featuring a sleek aluminum frame and glass back. It is available in various color options, adding to its aesthetics. The device is well crafted and feels comfortable to hold. Display. The Pixel Pro is equipped with a stunning OLED display with a high resolution, providing vibrant colors and deep blacks. The refresh rate is smooth, ensuring a great user experience when scrolling through content or playing games. Performance. Under the hood, the Google Pixel Pro is powered by a robust processor. At the time of my last knowledge update, it used a Snapdragon 888 or equivalent, ensuring smooth multitasking and excellent performance. The ample RAM further enhances the device's capability to handle resource-intensive tasks.
Camera system. One of the standout features of the Pixel Pro is its camera system. Google has a reputation for offering some of the best smartphone cameras, and the Pixel Pro doesn't disappoint. The main camera, often paired with multiple lenses, captures photos with incredible detail and color accuracy.
Google's software-based image processing is a major highlight, delivering stunning photos in various lighting conditions. Software. The Pixel Pro runs on Google's stock Android operating system, which guarantees timely software updates and a bloatware-free experience.
It also comes with exclusive software features, such as Google Assistant integration and advanced machine learning for enhanced user experiences.
Battery life. A substantial battery ensures that the Pixel Pro can last a full day with regular use. Fast charging and wireless charging features make it convenient to keep the device powered up.
"5G connectivity with 5G capability." The Pixel Pro is ready for the future of high-speed mobile connectivity, providing faster download and streaming speeds. Security. Google's emphasis on security extends to the Pixel Pro, which includes features like regular security updates and a robust fingerprint sensor or facial recognition for unlocking the device. Storage options. The Pixel Pro offers a range of storage options, allowing users to choose the capacity that suits their needs. Price and availability. The Pixel Pro falls into the flagship category, and its price reflects this. Availability varies by region, but Google typically makes it available in multiple markets. Ecosystem integration. The Pixel Pro seamlessly integrates with the wider Google ecosystem, including Google Drive for cloud storage, Google Photos for media backup, and Google Home for smart home control.
Conclusion. In conclusion, the Google Pixel Pro is a high-end smartphone that excels in multiple aspects.